Hello everyone, go as far as you can see with you, and today we have purchased another storage full of empty boxes, I'm assuming. We'll see what's inside. Get it in, get it out. There you go. Okay. Okay, we got it. Let's see. There. Open it for us. And let's see what's inside. So we've got couple. Oh, this is an empty box. I can feel that it's empty. This is a huge speaker. It's a speaker. I hope I don't buy just the boxes, isn't I? Yeah, freaking out. Let's see, what brand is it? Dayton. Yeah. Well, we'll see. There is quite a bit boxes, and they appear to be empty. They might have something in there left. Some hardware, accessories. The video power filter. Interesting. This is something else too, and I can feel that empty. This thing has something inside. Yeah, empty boxes. Oh, there you go. There's something that's over here. That was the worst to do it. Sony player. Let's get the box to the side, and we will set electronics over here. I know that you have something inside here. We'll do little by little, one at a time. This is empty. This is piece of leather, some sort of. This one is empty. And the power supply. Let's see. This is remote control, or the box from remote control. Is that handheld remote? I can't believe it. This huge box just for remote. Power supply. There's adapters. There is empty. Here we've got speaker. Looks like a wall speaker or a Sony speaker. Gosh, this is a dual loop. It's an interesting brand. I think I remember this dual model. And you, great used condition. Okay, got one of this. Hopefully there's more. Okay, let's see. This is another empty box. This is a power supply, and it's empty. There's a bracket for something. We're audio experts. Why in the world did you have this storage over here? That was a nice paper, wrapping paper. A little nice tissue. That'll work. There's more speakers. There's a nice speaker. Let's see what brand it is. Is that Sony too? Talk audio. Doesn't appear to be. Sure, but seems to be nice condition. Okay, great. That's more look like a ceiling speaker from the office. Okay, got it to the side. Let's see what else here. Pen, some paperwork, empty. This is bracket system. I hope it's partially full. Okay, got it. Phone system, and it's empty. This one is empty. Something inside. Radio area 2. It's empty. Nothing. Hardware is always good. There's another empty box. Yep. Packaging is always good. I need some boxes for shipping. That's definitely good. Oh, there's another one. So there's the 2 speakers. Okay, got it. 2 speakers, 1 and 2. That's about $60 to $100. I'm not sure how much is this big hammer. The Sony is about DVD. It's probably about another $100. Let's see. This is antenna, and it's appeared to be heavy. Let's see if we can open this. There's only brackets left. Of course, nobody. I was wondering if this is something from this property. They may have all this installed in their facilities. Empty. This one is this one is not empty. Blue light. Oh, it's a smart bulb. Nice. Let's see. Bright idea. Smart bulb, and it's in here. Super. There you go. Smart bulb. They're about $35 each. That's great. Well, packaging empty. This is empty. There used to be something inside. Sony speaker empty. There you go. There's equipment over here, and that's by Sony. That's great. It looks like a power supply for the video monitoring system. It's always good. Could be somewhere between $100 to $300. Let's see. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like it's a DVR system for recording activities. I wish I have some cameras too. Yeah, there you go. Pioneer Elite. It looks great. Amazing condition. I don't even know what it is, but we'll figure out later. I'll put it in description. It's definitely HDMI. It's a newer unit actually. I don't see if it's HDMI in the back. There's a couple HDMI ports. Nice. So I'm assuming that's a